You gonna sit up now? Oh, get off me, you weirdo! You see that now? I just caused myself so much pain. How did you manage that? Don't fall off the bed. Oh God! What the hell are you doing? Get off of me, you disgusting sister of mine. This person here, get off of me. She's like my best friend. She's like my boyfriend. Okay, I don't love you in that way. I love her like a sister. Jacob, you can have her, okay? Right now I just want to crush her because it's fun and she's I'm gonna die, you guys. It's killing me. Are you fat? No, you're just crushing me. Well, it doesn't have to be fat to be crushing you. No, it doesn't. You can be skinny and crush someone. It's true. It can happen. What kind of logic is that? Good logic. That's just retarded Jasmine logic. It is retarded Jasmine logic. It's good Jasmine logic. You may be retarded, but it is logic. It's not good though. It's good and retarded. As I said. What? Oh, by the way, there's this one really cute guy. Oh, the ice cream guy. He's been hitting hardcore on him since we got here. Totally, he's really hot. So we just call him the ice cream guy because we don't know his name. But you could always ask. Yeah, but I haven't seen him yet. If you haven't seen him, then how are you hitting on him? Well, yeah, but I mean, what? Well, I know exactly. And I hit on him hardcore, and now I haven't seen him since. That explains it then. So I can't ask him his name if I can't find him. Get everything. Oh, Mamma Mia. Here I go again. Maybe. Oh, no, I don't. I lied. Never mind. Nobody loves you enough to send you a message. Shut it! That was so very rude. You've been a bitch to me. I'm not a bitch. I didn't say you were a bitch. I said you've been a bitch. I'm not being a bitch. But we like being bitches. Depends on the situation. That's true. Want to see what Vegas looks like, though? Too bad you're going to see it. Hey, stop! Oh, it's bright lights! Whoa, that's the stratosphere. That big thing right here? Where, right there. Hey, look, that's my finger. That really tall thing right there. That's what she said. That's the stratosphere. Okay, anyways. The big, pointy, hard thing. You were disgusting. Get your mind out of the guy. Hey, look, it's blurry. Ooh. Hey, look, and then there's, okay, at the very top of that hotel, there's a bunch of guys, and they were, like, tweaking out yesterday, and in one of those windows, the fifth window up, there were people doing it up against the window. It was nasty. Okay. Oh, look, you want to see what half of our pool is? I don't think you can see it from here. No. Oh, yeah, you can. It's right there. Can you really? Oh, it's blurry, though. Oh, that's lame. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, there's no hotel room, okay? This is our dad's bed. This very messy bed, obviously, is mine and Jasmine. Yeah, with all that stuff on it. I got my phone. I'm jumping on the bed, guys. Okay. Oh, hello, operator. Did you say hello, operator? Not at all. Hello, operator. Hello. Now here's Sonia. She's not that weird. See, she only hates it because we're related, and she knows that she's stuck with me for the rest of her life. I want to find a good song. What one? I don't know. I said I'm going to find one. Oh. This one is I think it's just on shuffle or something. Dear Maria, tell me it's a story at the bottom of this bottle and I'm not sad. Hey, wait, do your little air guitar thing, dude. Yes, we have nothing better to do today. Well, actually, that's a lie. Because we're going to see Chris Angel tonight! Oh my God! Chris Angel, bitches! Just saying. Oh, you said bitches very loud. Okay, so we're going to go see Chris Angel, and he's at the Luxor. It's that little triangle pyramid thingy. Where the little light goes right at the top. It goes... Really? No freaking way. Freaking way. Okay. Anyways, we went and walked the strip today, and I got sunburned on Monday. It really sucked. It was not fun. She's got. You can burn. You can see my necklace line. Except it's not really there anymore. Okay, good, because it was very annoying. That's kind of funny. No, it wasn't. Yes, it was. How was? No. Yes, it was funny. You take this as funny. It was funny. It was funny. No, it wasn't. Yes, it was. Hey, look, it's Jasmine's ass. Should I zoom in on it? Yes, I did. Zoom in on my ass. I already did. Seriously, these make her ass look so big. Stop looking at my ass, you nasty. Phone over. That was smart. Yeah, no, I don't So Jasmine.
What?
How are you this fine day?
I'm freaking amazing.
No, we are Jamazingly, awesomely epic today.
That's what it is! I couldn't figure it out.
Jamazingly, awesomely epic. Jasmine has a peace sign on her thumb.
Oh, I do. Actually,
She does.
No, it's actually like...
Well, it's like, you know, like the woo, one of those things. Yes, yes. Okay, Jasmine, say goodbye.
Oh, say goodbye.
Say goodbye. Goodbye.